Hello, and welcome to our FineBI training for beginners. In this course, we will talk about how to create analysis subjects and add data. From this point on, we will show you many examples of the core functions of FineBI and explain them to you. First, let's figure out what's going on in the case. Suppose you work as a data analyst for a supermarket chain and your manager asks you to make a sales report for August 2020 that can, firstly, predict future product purchases and, secondly, analyze the reasons for the decline in gross profit. Then, let's put together our thoughts about each of these two requirements. First, about product arrival forecast. We can observe the sales of supermarket products in August, find hot-selling products, increase purchase sorting, and ensure sufficient inventory. We can also compare the sales of different categories of products, find the hot-selling product categories and expand the product categories. Second, about gross profit decline analysis. To begin with, we look at the changes in gross profit, sales cost, in different months, month-on-month growth rate of gross profit, check the specific situation of the decline. Then, obtain the detailed information on the gross profit rate, gross profit sales, of the product, drill down through the regions with low gross profit rate to obtain which region, which store, and which product has a problem. After organizing our thoughts, we may use FineBI to produce sales reports. This section will walk you through the analysis subjects and how to add data to them in order to prepare for data analysis. Analysis is the core element of data analysis and visualization in FineBI. When we need to analyze data, we can click New Subject and carry out our own business analysis there, including data processing and the creation of visual charts and dashboards. At the same time, we can collaborate with other users on our own subjects to share analysis content. We won't go into detail about this feature because it will be introduced individually later on. When we click New Subject, we are directed to the Add Data screen within the analysis subject. We can add data that already exists on the current project here, such as data in Public Data or My Analysis. To add public data, the administrator must first place the data in the Public Data module and provide users access to it. Users can then see the data here and add it to the subject. If we already have any data in My Analysis, we can add it here by selecting it. If the data we need is not available on the present project, we can upload a local Excel file to the subject, which is the file utilized in the course. You can download the file from the course details page or the help document in the introductory analysis case. Click Upload Data, pick the Excel files in bulk, and then click OK to complete the upload. On this page, we can rename the table or alter the field types. Click OK again in the upper right corner to store the data to the subject.